But Abhishek, do stay on and talk to us about PFC, REC and IRDA as the RBI has proposed tighter guidelines and provisions for infrastructure project financing. Fill us in with the details.
Well, RBI has released the draft guidelines on project finance, which includes both banks as well as NBFCs. So this provision requirement is on standard projects, whether infra and non-infra, and project loans which are towards real estate as well. So as per the draft guidelines, 5% general provision should be made on all the existing and fresh projects that have been financed and they are in construction phase, that is before the date of commencement of commercial operations or DCCO. So standard provision on project loans can be reduced to 2.5% once the projects are operational. This can further be reduced to 1% of the funded loans of the outstanding projects, wherein positive net operating cash flow that is sufficient to cover the current repayment obligations and total long-term debt of the project with the lenders has declined by at least 20%. So these draft provisioning requirements are well and above the current standard provision of 0.4%, and hence punitive towards a project loan is what the analysts do say. The draft propose a phase implementation of the 5% standard provision requirement for loans is as follows: 2% with effect from March 25 spread over the next 4 quarters, and 3.5% with effect from March 26 spread over 4 quarters of FY26, and 5% with effect from March 27 spread over 4 quarters of FY27. We have a note from IIFL Securities who say that they estimate additional provisioning requirement to be about 0.5% to 3% of banks' net worth and can hurt the CET1 ratio by 7 to 30 basis points for bankers. However, for infra NBFCs like REC, PFC, IREDA, it should be no ROE impact but can impact their Tier 1 ratio by 200 to 300 basis points and also potentially weigh on the valuation that these non-bankers are commanding. Back to you.
All right, that concern is really playing out on those stock prices. Abhishek, thank you for getting us the details.